Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Next popular and main service in AWS, is Amazon Lightsail. Lightsail is the easiest way to get started with AWS. It has everything you need to get your project running in the cloud. Lightsail includes everything you need to launch your project quickly. It has a virtual machine, a managed database, SSD-based storage, data transfer, DNS management, and a static IP, for a low, predictable monthly price. You can also scale your application or website over time, and improve its availability and redundancy, by adding other Lightsail resources. Lightsail allows you to use bigger instances to scale performances, add load balancers, connect multiple Lightsail instances, run instances across multiple availability zones, peer your VPC, so that your Lightsail instances can use other AWS resources outside of Lightsail. Lightsail is best suited to projects that require a few dozen instances or less. You can create pre-configured virtual private servers, that include everything, to easily deploy and manage your application, or create databases, for which the security and health of the underlying infrastructure, and operating system, is managed by Lightsail. Lightsail is for developers. You can choose an image for your Lightsail instance, that jumpstarts your development project, so you don't have to spend as much time installing software or frameworks. Lightsail is commonly used for development projects, running websites, web applications, business software, blogs, e-commerce sites, and more. Everything you do in the Lightsail console is backed by a publicly available API. Lightsail offers a range of operating system and application templates that are automatically installed when you create a new Lightsail instance. Application templates include WordPress, Django, Drupal, Node.js, etc. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.